Okay, Saturday night, June 16th, I think, 17th. 5 o'clock, just past 5 o'clock. Here in Claremont, getting ready to go on mission, get dinner. So we're just gonna pop in here to Vons and hope they have some sandwiches. I've been having stellar luck on the sandwiches lately. Like, I cannot even tell you when was the last time I was disappointed with sandwich. It's been a while. So let's hope the lucky streak continues. Alright, here we go. Past the succulent collection. Succulent. I would describe it as succulent. I'm gonna get one of these basket sandwiches. Alright, got that. Alright, we can take the hat off because they're inside. Oh my goodness. What the hell? Yeah, not getting any of this. Flowering birthday candle. Oh, I've seen this before. Flower petals open, sparkles and rotates and plays. Happy birthday song. Huh, where's that stick? And it comes with a stick and everything. Rad. Yuck. Here's Starbucks, which I have never ordered from. And here's more stuff that I'm not going to eat, which is fucking delicious, but it's just like pounds of sugar about my stomach and hips. Therefore, I'm not be selecting anything from this section. Those bastards, they put it like right in the beginning, so you have to go through it. Those bastards will get you every time. Alright, be cool. Oh, listen to this song. I remember this song. White peaches, $1.49. We're gonna take a little schnaw over here. Dokey. Oh, I see sandwiches. Yes. Oh, yes. Alright, this one is typically my favorite. Let's see, this is date 620. That's also dated 620. Alright, we're gonna go this one. This one is my favorite. Yay. Oh God, you're working in a deli. Please cover your mouth when you cough. You're working in food, with food. You're touching food. Cover your mouth when you cough. Oh my God. This woman is coughing and slicing meat. Oh my God. Okay. I wonder if people get sick all the time. Okay. Open this away. Alright, so we want some kind of like nectarine type thing. I prefer nectarines to peaches. There we go. We got $9.99. Here you go, white nectarines, $1.49. Oh, look at this apple crisp. I remember that from many years ago. Alright, hold on while I do this. Okay, we're continuing along here. Had a nice little encounter there at selecting white nectarines with a couple of other ladies who were also selecting white nectarines. It was quite pleasant. Too bad I didn't get it recorded because I had the camera paused, so I could select nectarines. That's what happens.
Let's look at it.
Alright, I don't know. We're thinking about getting something to drink. You know what? No, not gonna get anything to drink here. Not gonna get, oh, you know what we will get? Is we're gonna get like, oh, I know what we're gonna get. No. This guy is a jerk. This meat department guy is a freaking jerk. I shouldn't be judgmental. I'm sorry. I apologize. He's not a jerk. He acts in a way which demonstrates poor customer service. How's that? Oh God, I don't know. Almost going chips. Yeah, this is better than sugar. Okay. Well, actually, it's not. I'm not supposed to have sodium. It's like any sodium. Let's see. Oh, usually they have those things here, but I don't see them here. Did they move them? Or do they no longer have them? I'm sorry. I have a panic attack because they don't. Oh, here they are. See? I'm all like, what the fuck are they? They just moved them a little bit further down. Oh, those are really good, actually. The honey wheat braid pretzels. You look at those. That's too big. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see. Honey wheat. Oi. Oi. What do we got here? Honey wheat braid pretzels. Sodium. What's the real? She's got 8%. See, it's very sodium-y. See? I mean, it's very sodium-y. I'm not gonna eat these. Oh my god, sour cream onion chips. That's what I really want. That's what I really want right there. Oh god. Okay, no, I can't have this stuff. I can't have any of this stuff. It sucks. Alright, what are we gonna... What are the braid to twist with that? Oh, those $2.50. Oh, these are $30. Alright, we're gonna go with these, but I can only eat like so few of them. Like, I could barely eat any of them. I could eat like... Alright, serving size is 9 pretzels. Servings per container, about 9. So, 9 pretzels would be 180 milligrams of sodium. Okay, so, alright, as long as I have like 9, I can't have more than 9. See how I negotiate with myself? Oh, it's hard not eating this good stuff. And I definitely can't have that. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, now I'm sad, so I'm going to stop for a minute. So we ended up getting these. Can you believe this? Look at this. Would you please look at this? Lay's Southern Biscuits and Gravy. I mean, when I was, I had, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me about this? So, first of all, I used to live in the South, so I will judge exactly how Southern this is. And second of all, this is ridiculous. Okay, look how much sodium is in it. So I can have like 8 chips. Okay, maybe 10 chips. Oh, jeez. So hard. So hard. Okay, well, let's go check out. Shall we? Oh, cute kitties. Oh, cute kitties. Oh, cute kitties. Fish. Ugh. Fish flakes. You know that these contain actual fish. Fish eat fish. Isn't that interesting? Magazines. The Golden Age of Pirates. Anne Frank. The History of War. Alright, let's see what's happening in Iraq in 1986. I was in high school in 1986. Oh man, look at this. The Beastie Boys. Oh god. Johnny Mitchell. Talking Heads. Oh my god. PIL. Public Image Limited. Oh, sorry. I'm like not even showing you what I'm looking at. God. Nick Cave. Simply Red. Wow. 1986. This is a Beetle. That is a Beetle. He's 75. Jesus. Brad Pitt. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. How much do I love Brad Pitt? So much. So much. I love Brad Pitt so much. Here are some bangers. Wonder Woman. Yoga. Meow. When? Meow. Yoga. Meow. Pose in. Amazing body. Sexy button. Boost your motivation. I could read books. Aw, I said we could read those. Doodles and noodles. Alright, Pop Star. Oh my god, I used to read freaking Tiger Beat, right? And there was a couple others too. Stop Hairball Horrors. Pick it up. This is awesome. Okay, let's go continue with checking out. How are we doing on time? Alright, 10 minutes down. Okay. Right on, right on, right on. Right on, right on. Alright. Check out. Go check out. What the hell's going on over here? Everyone say Chargers. Boo. Boo. At least I did not get a drink. I have no idea if this chick's any good or not. Alright, we'll stay here. We'll stay here. Come on, Ruben. $1.67. That's not bad for those. Shred your abs. Killer results. Come on, Ivanka. You go, girl. Is that C? I've never heard of that before. C. A magazine called C. Yeah, never. Right? California. Oh, wait, I'm confused. What is this magazine? I don't know. There's O. What that is. Paper. Okay, pause. Yeah. Okay. Chicken out, chicken out. Enjoy. Huh. Oh, she's cool. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Come on. Look at it. Holy crap. Whoa. Crap, look at those things. Oh my god. Oh, those look so good. Brookies. Oh, like brownie and cookie. Oh my goodness. You've had them before? Oh. They look good. Got my bag. Thank you. I did, thank you. Vons time. Like that. Yeah.
9:13.
Okey-dokey. This one. Beep bop, beep bop. Ooh. Alright, thanks. Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Oh, that's gonna be sad, I heard. I thought. I heard it's really sad. Which is really neat because, like, people go thinking it's gonna be like a happy dog movie and that's sad. It's actually a cruel trick to play on people. Do you hear that little what just transpired there? It's very interesting. I can't wait to look at watch this later because I have not been looking at the camera. I have just been barely remembering to hold the camera up. Trail angles. Okay, which way should we go? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. This way it is. What? Oh, that's where it is. What's transpiring here? I'm asking. I'm wondering. Look at the hanker. What's going on with this stuff here? This is very odd. Is that a washing machine? Why is it just like, why is there parked up there? What's happening? Ew. There's a washing machine. We're about to cross the Shlamana. Oh, look at the sun. Crossing the Shlamana. These guys always busting my... Sorry. Whoa. Is that Madonna? So I'm gonna have this fluorescent sort of popular again. Ah! Okay, we're gonna see if we can get one of our favorite benches, which is that one over there by Ulta. I quite like that one. Oh, I hear birdies. Oh, look at the birdies. Damn. What are you guys doing up there? Let's see if I can zoom. I'm still holding my bag and on my receipt. Oh. 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 What the hell? Oh, is that bird sex? Are we watching bird sex? Oh my goodness. I think we just witnessed some bird sex. Wow. I'm stunned. Okay. Whoa, wait. Whoa, sorry about that. Crazy. Yeah. Doing all the way out. I'm trying to anyway. Okay. I don't know what's happening anymore. Okay, start having an anxiety attack. Everything's fine. Oh, really? Oh, they are. They're having bird sex. Oh my god, I've never seen birds having sex before. Okay, they're totally having sex. They're totally going at it. Oh my god. Okay. Look at bird sex. And she's just like tra-la-la. Oh my god. He like takes a break and flies away, and then where's she going? She's like, I'm done. She's like, I'm fucking out of here. Oh my god. Oh god, he went after her. That's him. He's calling her. He's like, where the hell did you go? Whoa. Oh, there she is. I just saw her hopping around. Right there. Oh, there she is. You see her? By the mail thing. This is some drama we got going on here. Some bird drama. Oh, we need like a third bird triangle. Yeah, that's a, oh, wait. Ew. Okay. Alright, let's take a break. This has been very interesting. Okay, back. Whoa, okay, hold on. I'm still zoomed in. Let me fix that. There we go. Alright, so. It looks like our favorite bench by Ulta. I don't know if that's my favorite bench. It might be. It's definitely in contention. On the short list. Yeah, we're gonna, it's vacant for now, so let's see if it still is. By the time we get over there. One time I was like racing with this couple to get to it. I didn't even know I was racing them. I mean, they saw me and they saw me heading forward for it, so they've started racing, trying to get there before me. Come on. I didn't realize they were racing me until like one of them clears their throat like, as a ploy to try to slow me down. And I turned and I looked. I didn't slow down though. And then that's when I saw them rushing toward the bush of the bench. And then when I just was totally cool about it. I just went and sat down. And then what happened? What did they say? Did they say something, or they made like a little disappointed sound, like ugh, like that kind of thing, and kept walking. So that's an interesting story. That's a tale from Shalana. Oh, I thought that chick was gonna sit down on the bench. She didn't. Yeah. Sit down. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. 20 minutes has gone by.